The Center of Excellence is the culmination of a lot of ideas, but those ideas are rooted in the foundation of making sure the American manufacturing industry remains healthy and vibrant. And how we do that is just one cog in that wheel. And for us, that cog is about how to develop, how to train, how to offer solutions. And it's really not just only the methods team imparting knowledge. It's about us having two ears, being able to listen, be able to gain and understand from our builder partners, from our vendors, from our customers, what challenges they have and what we can do to respond to it.
At Methods Machine Tools, we recognize that technological advancements in manufacturing is constant and rapidly evolving. To remain at the forefront of our industry, we have established the Center of Excellence, a dedicated initiative designed to foster continuous learning, collaboration, and professional development. The Center of Excellence brings together subject matter experts, our builders, team members, dealer networks, and customers in a collaborative environment. Our SMEs contribute unique skills and real-world experience, playing a vital role in the creation of curriculum, technical documentation, and best practices. Since its inception, the Center of Excellence has welcomed Methods employees, dealer representatives, and customers. This initiative not only strengthens our internal capabilities, but also extends valuable learning opportunities throughout our broader network. The Center of Excellence represents our belief that learning is an ongoing journey. By empowering individuals to teach, mentor, and share insights, we continue to build trust, enhance performance, and shape a stronger, more innovative manufacturing community.
At the end of the day, this company isn't built by machines. It's built by people. And the quality of those people determines everything. So if we want to build a great company, a sustainable company, we have to build great people.
On behalf of the entire team at Methods, we thank you all for being here. Our customers, our builder partners, and our teams are really what motivates us and drives us. Without that, we're not possible.